So, hi everybody. First of all, good morning, good morning, good morning, all of you. And first of all, in the morning time, so I am working on the Ali, you know that. So, Ali, it means you. What is this? This is the way of with the going on the way. So, this is the Ali, Ali, and you know that in the morning time, oh my God, and you can see around me, you can see around me. So, these all are paddy fields, you know that the which have you can fill in this time. So and you can see, so this is the seed of the paddy. These are paddies, you know that paddies. So you can give water, you can fill again. Here you can see what is this. So this is called to geo, it means O's. Everybody you can see clear. And these all are paddies field. I am walking barefoot. Oh my God! In the morning time, you can see everybody. I don't have right now voice, but I can speak. What is the right time in this time? I think it is 6 o'clock. You know that in the morning. So I am walking on Ali. So this is the way of going to going there and going here. You can go outside with the help of Ali, and there are many paddy fields you can see, and you can feel there are dew, dew waters, morning water you can see. This is called morning water. This is called morning water on top of the leaves of the plant, paddy plants you can feel here. So this is called what you will speak, so dew, everybody. And you can see around me, these are totally paddy plants. And oh my God, where is the paddy plants? You can see nearby my house is there. And wow, this is the best for me, because you know that every year I used to walk here, and I used to play cricket. And so this is called, you can see, date tree. It means khajur ka tree hai, and there are many trees inside of the canal. Finally everyone I raised nearby canal or small canal, you know that. So right now I'm beside the canal, you know that it's a small canal. And let's see now I'm going into the canal. Okay, right now I'm standing in the canal. It is very small. It's a canal. You can see there are many plants. I don't have any ideas which is the plants. I don't have any, but I can see, you can see everybody. So in canals there are many. What is this? This is sands, you know that sands. Oh my God, sands, clear now? Sands, these are sands you can see. Oh my God, I try to catch the fishes. Oh my God, in this hole there are many fishes. But you know that my festival, it is going on Durga Puja. So in this time I should not catch the fishes. So it's okay, and then I will not catch the fish, clear. And you know that if I speak when I was 5 years old, in that time, you know that I used to catch the fishes. It's all around me. There are many plantations and trees, and water. It is right now. It is going there. The downside. And one thing I would like to you discuss about on my hands. You know that these are sands. If I talk about my past time when I was 5 years old and 10 years old, and in that time I used to brush my teeth with the help of, you know that, this sand. Okay, everybody. And I used to, you know that, I take a bath every year, every day, because this canal is nearby my house. So that's why every year and every day I take a bath with this help of the water. You can feel this is all water. Okay, these are many holes. These are many holes. These are many. How many holes are there? Okay, so in this hole there are many fishes. Okay. So I don't want to catch the fishes right now. So it's okay, don't worry about this, that everybody. So if you want to speak English language and if you want to practice in English language, so then you should practice all the things which you want to speak, which is the best for you. And so every day, because I want to improve my English language, so that's why I came here and I found one thing very it's a fruits. You can see it's a fruit. Finally I found the fruits. So this is called, you can say, which fruits, I don't have any ideas. Yeah, I have an ideas because you know that in English what I speak dumri, because I speak in Hindi dumri. You know that dumri. So this is called dumri. So we can eat. Okay, we can eat. This is not the bad fruits. This is the very good fruit. It's a useful. This is the fruits. Okay, and in the canal, the outside the canals, you can see there are many bamboo tree. And right now I'm walking in the canal, and so everybody, you want to speak in English language, and if you want to improve your English language, so also I try to make a video for you, because you want to also learn in English language, practice. You want to practice English language, so that's why I create a video every day and I upload it on YouTube channel for all the student who wants to speak in English language. So that's why. So right now finally I reached the here. So my uncle is here. So oh my God, what are you doing, Uncle Ji? What are you doing? So he's my uncle and he's very good, and he's oh my God, he's very hard worker. Okay, so right now I'm under the tree. I'm standing under the tree. You can see clear. So everybody and everyone's and every student, listen to me, be careful. I try to make a sentence and I try to give a sentence, a lot of sentence. So please, what is the, how many trees are there? It's all about, it's my tree. So you can see blackberry trees, you know that? Blackberry, it means jamun. So right now I'm standing here under the tree. I'm standing and it's all about paddy fields, clear? Paddy fields. So I'm walking on the alley. Finally I came here and I would like to make some videos. And right now you can see mangoes tree. This is my mango tree. So right now I am under the tree, and this is called mahua. It means mahua trees, not it's called plant, it's a tree. Okay, so I try to sit here and I would like to you share my thoughts. You know that I don't have friends, you can say, so that's why I don't play. But when my friend will come with me, and that times I try to play with my friends any sports things, you know that. It's okay. So right now you can see what you will speak. So I'm sitting under the tree, and it has, you know that, it comes sunlight.